We're out here in the Garden Lakes area of Avondale, Arizona, where a homeowner began a restoration on his walk deck, to come to find out that the damage to the deck from just wear and water and rot was a little bit more extensive than he first initially thought. So he gave us a call. We came out and began quickly troubleshooting some of the areas that needed to be replaced. He had actually cut through the bird blocking area here near the cabling that was coming in there and removed the railing that you see. So we ended up restoring this outside portion of the deck as well, to do it just like it was brand new. And we were able to piece together the parts that needed to be replaced and repaired, and then put it all back together without, the need for a complete tear out and redoing it. So you can see here we've installed the new decking area. We were able to re-weld the railing and get that put back together. So everything came together. We replaced the plywood back, and the homeowner was very happy with the final product. We applied a new weatherproof coating to it, so it's got a nice shiny coat, and it'll be good to stand for another 20 plus years. For all your walk deck coating and restoration needs, feel free to give us a call at Estrella Roofing, 602-373-4313. Again, 602-373-4313. We look forward to hearing from you.